Good morning, boys and girls. It's Miss Miller. I'm going to read you a story today called Little Bird and the Bath. This is by Eve Brown and illustrated by Melissa Webb. The author is Eve Brown and the illustrator is Melissa Webb. Okay. I'm going to read this story, and then, of course, I'm going to ask you some questions at the end of the story. The title page is Little Bird and the Bath. Here is a little bird. The little bird looks at the bath. Okay? The little bird is in the bath. See the little bird in the bath? A big bird looks at the bath. What do you think is going to happen? The big bird is in the bath too. Look at the baby bird. Look at the little bird. How does that little bird feel? Oh no, said oh no, look at the little bird. What is the little bird? What's happening with the little bird? Here comes the big bird. What is the big bird doing to the little bird? The big bird is up in the tree. Look at the little bird. What's happening with the little bird now? The little bird is happy. So why is the little bird happy? Okay, so let's answer some questions. I'm going to start the page all over again and start on page 2. And we're going to just answer some questions and maybe you could tell us. This is page 2 and 3. What does the little bird see? What does the little bird see? What does the little bird do in the bath? How is the big bird behaving when he gets in the bath? Look at him. How is he behaving? What happens when the big bird gets in the bath? What is the big bird doing when he gets in the bath? What problems do the birds have? What are they doing? What's the problem? Look at that poor baby little bird. So what does the big bird do? Is he being nice? What happens to the bath? What happens to the bath? There's no bird in the bath. So now, tell me, why is the little bird happy? Why is the little bird happy now? Okay, guys, you can answer those questions with your family, and you could also read the story with the volume turned down because I know that you're becoming great readers. All right, so I will post this, and I will see you soon. All right, guys, have a good one. I miss you. And don't forget to look at the baby bird picture I just sent you. Those baby birds in the nest outside my house are getting really big. Look at them. All right, bye.